candidate, please.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Give your work file.
What are you doing?
Taking selfie for status, sir.
Can you keep your phone on side?
Okay, sir.
What is your name?
MP, sir.
What is that?
Meera Pal, sir.
Oh, what is your father's name?
MP, sir.
What is that?
Mohan Pal, sir.
Why you need this job?
MP, sir.
What is that?
Money problem, sir.
At least describe your personality.
MP, sir.
What is that?
Mind-blowing personality, sir.
The interview is over. You go and sit outside.
MP, sir.
What is now?
My performance,
MP.
MP, what it is, sir?
Mentally punctured.
MP, sir. My pleasure, sir.
Please. Sit down. Why are you sitting on the floor? Sit in the chair. What happened to you? Are you not feeling well?
No, sir.
Any family and personal problem?
No, sir.
Open your mouth and tell me what happened to you.
I got only 30 likes on my post.
Don't worry, I will give likes.
Super, sir. Super, sir.
Your hobby is reading book. Which book do you like more?
Facebook, sir.
Superma.
Thank you, sir.
What is your strength?
Doing reels.
What is your weakness?
Waiting for likes and comments.
The interview is over. You go and sit outside.
Thank you, sir.
Next candidate, please.
Hello, friends. This is our interview room. This is our interview chair. He is our interviewer. Sir, say hello to our subscribers.
Can you keep your phone on side?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Friends, interview was shouting. I catch you later.
What is this here? This much big name. Justina. Then.
Justina is my name, sir. Remaining under my Facebook and Instagram ID, sir.
Why you left from your previous company?
They shift the company, sir, and not at all inform the new address, sir.
Oh, at the time, what are you doing?
Taking reels, sir.
Very good, ma. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
What is your goal in next 5 years?
Have to create more YouTube videos and reels, sir. Get more likes and comments, sir.
The interview is over. You go and sit outside.
Thank you, sir.
ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், என்னோட பிராங்க் இது எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? எல்லாரும் என்ஜாய் பண்ணீங்களா? என்ன மீரா தெரியுது ஷாக் ஆயிட்டீங்களா? நானும் உங்களை மாதிரி கேண்டி தந்தா. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம